If you use WhatsApp, here are 3 hacks you need to try out. The first one lets you send messages to yourself. To do this, just go to WhatsApp and click on the message icon. Then select the first person on the list, which will be yourself. Now you will be able to send messages to yourself. You can use this method to send files and links to yourself from one device to another. This second hack is recently added to WhatsApp. To try this, just go to WhatsApp and click on any conversation. Then try and send a file to the person. You will see an option called HD at the top. Click on it and you will be able to choose whether you want to send the file in HD quality or not. Select the one you want and click on Send. The third hack lets you view people's WhatsApp status without them knowing you did. To do this, first go to your WhatsApp and navigate to Settings. Then click on Privacy. After that, turn off Read Receipt. Now you will be able to view people's WhatsApp status without them knowing.